Don't get found.
Get out of the car.
Don't get stupid.
January 31, 2025, a quiet gas station parking lot in Central Florida. A car sits running, driver slumped over the wheel, engine idling for over 20 minutes.
You came from your house? Oh, did you drive here? Okay. Can I have your license, please? So let me ask you a question. Are you diabetic? Sir?
Yes.
Are you diabetic?
I said no.
Oh, you didn't say no.
One.
Customers call 911 worried he's having a medical emergency. When the officer taps on the window, the nightmare begins. This is the story of John, 48, who went from, "I'm just resting," to, "You're gonna have to tase me faster than you can say open container."
I need your license, okay?
What you need? Hey, do me a favor. Just keep your hands up for reference, okay? Alright, perfect. How'd you get here?
Drove.
Perfect.
So, John, you're intoxicated, right?
No.
No? Then what are you right now? Because I can smell it coming from you. John, there's two ways this is gonna go. One way is I'm gonna take you to the hospital under a Marchman Act. The other is I'm gonna run you through field sobriety exercises.
Here's where the lie starts crumbling. The officer smells alcohol from 3 feet away. John's eyes are bloodshot, his speech is thick as syrup, and he can barely keep his head up. But instead of cooperating, he decides to play the "I'm not drunk, I'm just tired" game. The one that never, ever works.
Don't get found.
Get out of the car.
Don't get stupid. I'll tell you right.
Oh yeah? What's gonna happen, John? Step out of the car now.
I will. Back up. Just
Come
space.
on.
Give me space.
You have plenty of space. Get out of the car.
Back up.
I'm not going anywhere. Don't reach for anything, John. You have no keys right now. Get out of the car. Hey, John, here's the thing.
What?
You're actively resisting me right now.
I'm not.
You are.
No,
Step out of the car.
Back up and resist.
Here you go.
Good. I'll be a weapon. And
That's not how this works. I'm giving you a lot of opportunity to do the right thing here, bud.
The Marchman Act, Florida's involuntary commitment law for people too impaired to care for themselves, is the easy way out. Go to the hospital, sleep it off, pick up your car tomorrow. Most people take it. John? He picks store number 2 and immediately regrets it.
Carly, can you step on so we can talk to you?
I can.
All right, thank you. Just to over here. Thank you.
Don't.
I got
Just come talk to me.
Don't.
Yes, sir.
Say
All right.
nothing.
What's your name?
Jump.
Do you live here in Okay. How far from here do you live?
Mom.
A mile. Okay. You been drinking today? A little bit? Too much? Okay. Are you diabetic or anything?
He said no. What are you gonna do here?
So,
I'm trying to give you the options, brother.
you know what?
We can either go to the hospital and you can sober up under the Marchman Act, or I can run you through field sobriety exercises because you're in actual physical control of this vehicle.
I'm right now.
While you're under-
a handicap.
What does that have to do with it, John?
It does.
So talk to me about it. Okay,
Not
all right.
Marchman.
How much did you drink tonight?
Either you are your
What's that?
Nothing.
You didn't drink nothing tonight. Okay, when's the last time you had a drink of alcohol? You don't know? Okay. You take any drugs today?
Nope.
Nothing. So you're telling me you're sober right now. This is just...
He refuses to exit. He locks the doors. He keeps one hand near his waistband. Officers give him more chances than most people get in a lifetime. But every no, every backup, every refusal pushes them closer to the only tool left.
What do you have?
PTSD.
PTSD?
I can't walk a line. All your bullshit.
Calling me on my... You're clearly intoxicated, okay? That's where we are right now.
Whatever.
And you were in control of this vehicle. So I'm going to have to run you through field sobriety exercises.
Can I do it?
You don't want to do them?
No. I am.
Are you refusing to perform field
No.
sobriety exercises?
I am refusing because my to do it.
You're refusing because of what?
Because my physical
Okay.
ability.
You don't have to go through the field sobriety exercises, but I'm still going to go through with what I have to do.
You go through what you gotta do. I know.
Okay. John, I'm going to ask you to turn around and put your hands behind your back. Are you telling me no again?
That's bullshit.
It's not bullshit.
For what?
It's what's going to happen.
Just placing you under arrest for DUI.
No.
Based on the
Taser deployed. John finally complies, too late. Cuffed, searched, and loaded into the cruiser while still mumbling, "I'm not drunk."
Your hands. I need you to just do this, please.
I need you.
Can we put them on the front
Your
for you?
hands.
If that'd be more comfortable?
Yes.
Excellent. Can you put your hands down in front? John.
I'm not resisting.
You're
I
not.
are resisting.
John, look at me.
No, I'm not.
Look at me.
your hands
Hey,
off, please.
John, can we put your hands in front of you? Put your hands in front of you like this. We'll put them on the front for you.
John, you need to release your hands
John.
now.
Please, do not resist this, okay?
No.
All right.
Thank you.
I'm trying.
You're
trying.
good. You guys do what you gotta do. You're okay, John. You're okay. I got him, Tyrone. You're good. You okay? I'll keep you balanced.
I'm not.
Why are you not okay? Talk to me.
This is bullshit. What am I here? I'm here.
Charged with DUI, driving under the influence, and resisting without violence. He blew a .21, almost 3 times the legal limit. The "I'm diabetic" excuse, blown out of the water by the breathalyzer.
Lean to your right now. I'm going to take this out from under you. John, can you please repeat your name for me?
We got that. You pass that.
I went outside, smoked a cigarette, car was running.
This is textbook drunk logic. Alcohol kills self-awareness, so they genuinely believe they're fine. They think arguing equals winning, so every refusal adds charges. "I'm not getting out" equals automatic resisting. Threatening to make officers tase you means guaranteeing they will. Real talk, Florida issues over 30,000 DUI arrests every year. Almost all of them started exactly like this. "I only had 2 beers, officer."